Ineo grill is built to last. It features in Korean Posco sheet. A 1.5mm thick stainless steel 300-foot countertop and operating panel, and 1.2mm thick side panels made of 430 stainless steel. The zinc alloy knobs not only provide a beautiful look, but also ensure a sturdy and long-lasting performance. Moreover, the welding gap will not exceed 0.2mm, which can effectively prevent the problem of dirt. We have the gas valve, a top-quality imported brand, ensuring reliable and efficient performance. Our grill grates are designed with narrower gaps, sharper patterns, and produce clear sear marks on your meat, enhancing its visual appeal. What's more, our grill grates feature dual-sided oil drainage grooves to prevent oil droplets from falling onto the volcanic stones and causing a decrease in oil temperature. We've also included a convenient fire viewing hole, allowing you to easily monitor the flame while you cook. Cleaning is a breeze with the included slag tray and the seamless stamping on the countertop, ensuring no hard-to-reach corners. A rich reverse buckle with rounded corners and slope design prevents water leakage and oil spills, keeping your cooking area clean and safe. Thank you for joining me to learn the incredible features of the Ineo grill. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.